Dear friend of Africa, dear friend of the world, this is Dr. Waki again speaking here in Kabungo, the Democratic Republic of Congo. I'm here today to give you a little bit of a view of this hospital that has been constructed over here in this part of the world. So as you can see, we have a main road. This is our main road. From my left side, that's where we come with all the trucks and all the machineries, all the material, construction materials. This is the way where they come through. And from there we go now to the direction of our hospital. Therefore, we continue right here. As you can see, this is our limit with the neighbors. So these are our neighbors here. This is our limit. There is a small way over here that goes down to some houses down there. So this is our main wall of the hospital. This is where we start from. So now from here, we can see the first gate of the hospital. This is our major gate of this hospital. This gate is the main entrance for the ambulance. This is the emergency room. So that is our emergency room entrance. If you can see that door over there. And this is where the ambulance will come with patient and enter from here and will transfer patient into the emergency room. So this is just for emergency treatment, emergency cases here. Now we continue down here, we meet our first door. This is our main gate. This is where everybody who comes for consultation, for other problem, non-emergency problem, this is where they're gonna get in. So this is the major entrance. From entering there, you can see we have on our right side, this is our first door. That's the first door to the main entrance to the building. So this structure over here is a very big structure, very beautiful as you can see. It costs a lot of resources, and this is where every treatment will start from. You can see we have consultation room on the ground floor. We have consultation room, doctor's office. On the second floor, we have offices for personnel. We have management, we have our pharmacy, and we have also like our director of medicine over here. Their offices will be on the first floor. So as you can see, we continue down here. The main entrance is on the right side, and also the exit side is on the left side. That is our exit door. So you enter from there and you exit from here. Enter room, and then exit door is right here. So we continue now. When people comes out from this facility, they will use this gate over here. So this will be our major structure from going out. This is our exit. So we have one entrance, and this is our exit. So we did this for the safety of our patients. We are going to treat different type of diseases over here. We'll have a different type of patient. Patient from rural areas and patient from town will come here. And all of them, when they come here, will be treated as, patient. So this is what we are doing so far. Now we go down here. This is the structure that we have. Okay, this is our structure. So this structure here, we have now the main entrance to the facility. The gate right here, that you can see right here, this is the major gate for everybody who has a vehicle to come and enter from here. All personal vehicles, company vehicles, hospital vehicles, this is where we will enter. So this will be our parking space right here for our vehicles. So this is where we will be entering with our vehicles if we got some. Now, you can see this beautiful structure here is for our security personnel. This is for our security personnel. So we have the ground floor and we have also the top floor, which means our security personnel have a very nice office where they can view everything over here, and they take good care of our patient in terms of safety. So you can see that we are still in the construction phase. This is really the real construction phase. Now, I am going to stop from here a little bit so that we can get inside, so that you can see from the inside perspective about this facility, about this hospital. we can go a little bit down here. You can see our limit with the neighbors, and you can see everything has been, we have this very, very nice brick wall that we've built for the security of our patients. So now you can see, this is where we are. My friend, the friend of the world, the friend of Africa, this is where we are so far. We will need more resources to make this facility functional, to make this facility a facility where patients can come and be treated in a very, very nice and well-deserved care. Our principle over here is patient-first. Our principle here, we are going to provide high-quality medicine with extraordinary care. So our care will be really at the highest level. So we are going to continue. We will ask our personnel here to open the door for us, so that we can get into the facility. So Fazili, please open the door for us so that we can go inside. So this is where we are so far. So we're gonna go right there. As you can view our structure from the outside perspective, this is our major road. We will need, with resources, we can build this road to become a modern building. It can become a modern building. It can become a modern road. We can bring machineries over here and transform this road to a modern road. So we need resources for that. So we're gonna enter inside. This is the major exit door, but we're gonna use it as our entrance door. So we are coming in. I think you saw what I said here. You can see our structure. This is the major entrance here. So we enter inside, and this is our exit door. So you see, this structure is beautiful, but still needs resources to be more functional. You know, to be a structure where we can treat our patients. So we're gonna go down. Right there, that's our emergency room. So we're gonna go down this way. As you can see, we still have a lot of materials. We have these stones here, sand, bricks. So we are still in construction phase. Now, right here, this is our emergency exit door. This is just for emergency exit. It's not for use for anybody, but just for emergency exit to this facility. When we go down, you can see this beautiful structure over here. This is our pediatric building. This is where we are going to treat all pediatric, all children. This is where we will be treating them. So you can see the view from the front side. From the front side, you can see right here. So now we continue down here. From here, you can see, you can have a very nice view of the hospital. From the inside, you can see. You can see a very nice view of this structure. I'm gonna go structure by structure. Right here, this is our pediatric building. This pediatric building can host about 40 to 50 patients. So we need good resources, you know, to make sure that our patients have nice bed and nice mattresses, nice, you know, bed sheet and all those things that we can provide for a better care to our patients. We have the first floor and we have the second floor. On the second floor, we have some few offices over there for the pediatrician and their nurses. But it's very, very nice structure. You can see it's not yet finished. It's still in construction phase. We can see this structure down here. This structure down here, this is where we're gonna have our ICU. Intensive care unit on the ground floor. So on the ground floor, we have our intensive care unit, and on the first floor, that's where we're gonna have our progressive care unit plus med-surg unit. So you see, even this structure still not yet well painted, so we still need to finalize the construction and have some fixation here and there so that we can make this hospital functional. This nice building over here, this is our L&D, labor and delivery building. This is where our moms, our sister will come and deliver their babies. On the ground floor, the main entrance is right here. This is our main entrance. This is our main entrance. So our main entrance is right here. We have nice rooms down there where we have 4 delivery rooms. So we have 4 delivery rooms down there. Inside down there, there's 4 delivery rooms. Those 4 delivery rooms, there is very nice rooms over there, and we have one exceptional person, Dr. Genevieve Alou. She's my friend in the United States. She gave us a very nice bird for delivery room here. So, and because of that, the management of this hospital decided to name one of the rooms after her. That is great honor. And we love you, Dr. Alou. We appreciate what you did for us for this institution. On the top, after somebody has given birth to a child, we're going to take the child to the top floor. That's where they're going to be staying. So this is where we are so far. We're going to continue down here. We have our major building. Our major building is right here. This is our... Stop it. As we continue, this structure over here, this is our main building. This is the administrative building here. As I show you from the outside, you can see it's almost finished. It's almost finished. This is where we have our laboratory here. This is our lab. This structure down here is our lab. This structure down here is our lab. That's where the door is located, right there. That's where the door is located to get into the lab. So this will be our lab down here. On the top floor, we have offices over there, plus our pharmacy. And also, we have different type of offices for administration. Down here, we have 6 consultation rooms on this side. 6 consultation rooms, plus the emergency room, and the waiting area in the middle. So you can see that really we are in a very nice phase of construction. We are progressing slowly, but we still need a lot of resources for us to be really, really successful in this hospital. You can see this structure over here, which is not yet done. It's still completely in construction phase. This is where we have our cafeteria on the ground floor. This is our cafeteria, and the kitchen is on the other side. So this is the cafeteria, and then the other portion is the kitchen. We provided some VIP rooms, private rooms. We have 6 private rooms on the top. So we have 6 private rooms on the top. Those rooms will serve as private rooms. Some people who do not want to share rooms, they can just be admitted in those facilities. And this is where we are so far. We are really, really into construction phase. We can go and see our ceiling on the bottom side or on the back side of this facility, so that you can have a little bit of a view from the back side. Somebody, because of what they love to see this hospital being built here, offered these few goats over here. So they did not have a place to put them. They're keeping them here for just momentarily, and then they will be taken away from here. So that's why we have those few goats over there. They were given as a gift for thanking people who brought this idea for building this hospital in this area. So as I said, this is our labor and delivery building. I'm going to just show you a little bit down here. You can see we're still really in construction phase. You can see all the stones are here. We can see all this type of work that is being done down here. This is really massive. This is so big. All these are our sewing. So all the dead stuff from all this facility will be dropping in this. This is where the treatment will be happening, and then it will be, it will be draining into those big holes right here. So that is how they make it over here. So this is our drain. So this is one drain, and that's another drain over here. So all these are two drains that after every treatment has been done over there, every dirty stuff has been transformed to water. It will be drained in these two holes over here. So you can see really, it's a very good, very, very big project that needs a lot of resources, but we are still in construction phase. My friend, I'm pleading with you. I'm coming to you guys. You have seen, I've shown you from the front to the back side. We need your help. We need some of the resources. We need your help. Friend of Africa, friend of the world, friend of Kabungo, friend of Congo. We need your help to come and finalize this project so that it can be functional, so that we can start admitting patients over here. We can start treating patients over here. I'm just going to give a little bit of story about this facility. When I conceived, when I received, I was thinking about what can I do here. I saw how people suffer over here in terms of medical treatment, how expensive some private hospitals are in this part of the world. People cannot afford to see a generalist over here. It's between $10 and $15. To see a specialist is between $15 to $20. Many people cannot afford that. So my idea was that if I can bring this type of structure over here, a modern hospital with lowering the treatment cost, it will be to save a lot of life. That's the reason why I'm pleading with you, my friends, the friend of Africa, friend of the world, to support me. I'm pleading with you to support me with resources. It can be ideas. It can be moral support. It can be some financial support, material support. We need a lot of instruments over here. We need EKGs machine. We need X-ray machines. We need scanners. We need ultrasound. So we need a lot of equipment over here to make this beautiful hospital functional. So I'm pleading with you, please come and help us in any way that you can. Thank you so much, and God bless you. This is Dr. Waki again in Kabungo, here in the town called Bukavu. Thanks so much, and God bless you. I will see you shortly. Thank you.